In this video, I will show you how to use ChatGPT as a professional writing tone assistant to refine your business communications. I'll start by setting up a prompt that asks the AI to act as a specialized assistant that identifies tone problems and explains its improvements. ChatGPT responds by outlining a helpful plan that includes assessing the current tone, clarifying issues, and providing a rewritten version. Next, I'll paste in a specific email that feels a bit too hesitant and ask the AI to transform it into a confident and professional message for a client. The AI identifies that the original text was overly apologetic and used too much hedging language, which can make the message sound uncertain. It provides a much cleaner version that gets straight to the point while remaining polite, and it explains that these changes help build better authority. To wrap things up, I'm asking for 3 additional variations of the same message: 1 warm and friendly for a colleague, 1 assertive for a formal follow-up, and 1 neutral for a new contact. The results show how easily we can shift the energy of a message depending on the relationship with the recipient. Each version includes a brief explanation of why the specific word choices work, helping me learn how to better structure my own emails for any professional situation. If you found this walkthrough helpful for personalizing your own AI workflow, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.